Oncofetal antigens. Oncofetal antigens, it is present in body during the fetal development, but high level of oncofetal proteins in adult indicates some tumors. Important oncofetal antigens are alpha fetoprotein, it is a tumor marker of hepatocellular carcinoma and germ cell carcinoma. Carcinoembryonic antigen CEA, it is tumor marker of colorectal, gastrointestinal, lung and breast carcinoma. Carbohydrate marker. Three important carbohydrate marker are CA153, CA125 and CA199. Here CA stands for cancer antigen, but it is carbohydrate marker. CA153, it is a tumor marker of breast carcinoma, may also be present in pancreatic, lung, ovarian, colorectal and liver cancer, and in some benign breast and liver diseases. CA125 is a tumor marker of ovarian and endometrial carcinoma, elevates in pancreatic, lung, breast, colorectal and GI cancer, and in benign conditions such as cirrhosis, hepatitis, endometriosis, pericarditis and early pregnancy. CA199, it is tumor marker of colorectal and pancreatic carcinoma, elevated levels seen in hepatobiliary, gastric, hepatocellular and breast cancer, and it also increases in benign conditions such as pancreatitis and benign GI diseases. Receptor markers. Receptor markers in this category, estrogen and progesterone receptors are used in breast cancer as indicator for hormonal therapy. Patients with positive estrogen progesterone receptor tend to respond to the hormonal treatment better. Protein markers. Beta 2 macroglobulin, it is tumor marker of multiple myeloma, Hodgkin lymphoma, also increases in chronic inflammation and viral hepatitis. You all know about multiple myeloma. What is multiple myeloma? Multiple myeloma is a tumor of a special type of WBC cells. It is a tumor of actually plasma cells. Ferritin is a marker for Hodgkin lymphoma, leukemia, lung, liver and breast cancer. Ferritin is a protein which store the iron in body. Thyroglobulin, it is a useful marker for detection of differentiated thyroid cancer. Immunoglobulin, Bayes Johnson protein is a pre-monoclonal immunoglobulin light chain in the urine and it is a reliable marker for multiple myeloma. Bayes Johnson protein is a marker of multiple myeloma. Clinically important tumor marker for lung cancer, CA125, CEA, for liver cancer alpha fetoprotein, for prostate cancer PSA, for testicular cancer alpha fetoprotein, beta ACG, for breast cancer CA125, CEA carcinoembryonic antigen and HER2. Stomach cancer, for stomach cancer tumor marker is CEA. Pancreas cancer tumor marker CA125 CEA. Colon cancer CEA and ovarian cancer CA125 and CEA. Some benign conditions associated with rise in tumor markers. Actually, benign is a non-cancerous tumor. It should not spread to the other parts of body like malignant tumor, but some tumor marker tumor markers level also increases in such conditions, such benign conditions. Most important is like alpha fetoprotein. Alpha fetoprotein also increases in benign condition like viral hepatitis and liver injury and pregnancy. All these are benign conditions, but alpha fetoprotein level also increases in these conditions. Beta SEG, it increases in testicular failure and pregnancy. Testicular failure is not a cancerous condition, but its level should be increases in testicular failure and pregnancy. CEA, CEA stands for carcinoembryonic antigen, and its level increases in smokers, hepatitis, cirrhosis, pancreatitis, gastritis. All these are benign condition, but CEA level increases in all these conditions. PSA. PSA stands for prostatic specific antigen. Its level increases in benign condition like prostatitis and benign prostatic hyperplasia. Benign prostatic hyperplasia, BPH. PSA level is important for differentiating between BPH and prostate cancer. PSA level in blood is generally in normal healthy individuals are less than 4 nanogram per ml. Less than 4 nanogram per ml. In benign prostatic hyperplasia levels is in between 4 to 10. Greater than 4 nanogram per ml to 10 nanogram per ml. And in prostate cancer, its level is greater than 10 nanogram per level. So here the amount of PSA is important for differentiating between prostatic hyperplasia and prostatic cancer. Thank you all for, and I want to say you all that stay home and stay safe. Thank you.